Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Kali Linux 2024.4 Purple Edition on VMware Workstation. First go to kali.org, it is the official website, then we will download. So kali.org, hit enter, click on download or get Kali, both are same. Click on installer images, then scroll down, see here we have the Kali Purple Edition. So click on this download button. It is direct download and this is torrent file. Click on either of them. Click on it. See download started. Go to downloads. See here its size is 4.1 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded Kali Linux 24.4 Purple Edition. So cancel it. In your case wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description or search for my YouTube channel for download and install VMware Workstation on Windows or Linux operating systems. Open VMware Workstation. See, I have VMware Workstation Pro. Click on it. Click on create a new virtual machine or go to file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file. Then click on browse for the downloaded Kali Linux Purple Edition. Click on browse. Then go to downloads. See here we have the Kali Linux 2024.4 installer Purple ISO file. Select it and click on open. Click on next. Select Linux and type as Debian 12 or select the Debian other. If it is not there, then select other. Debian 12 64-bit. Then click on next. Then provide the name. So I am giving Kali. Then select the folder or location to store this virtual machine files and folders of this virtual machine. Click on OK. Click on next. Here by default it has select hard disk sizes 20 gigabytes. I am giving 50 gigabytes. It is up to you. Click on next. See by default memory selected as 2 gigabytes. I am going to increase it to 4 gigabytes. It is up to you. So select 4 and click on close. Click on finish. See, these are the virtual machine settings. Still if you want to edit, you can click on edit virtual machine settings or right click and select settings or select it on VM and select settings. All three options are same. Okay. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Now use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphical install. Select it and hit enter. Select English language and click on continue. Select your location and continue. Continue. Now provide the host name for this machine or computer name. See default it has selected Kali. So I am giving Kali P. P means Purple 2024.4 VM. Hit enter. I don't have any domain, so keep it as blank and click on continue. Now we have to set up user. So provide the user full name. Hit enter. This will be the username. If you want to use some other, you have to provide. Otherwise, click on continue. Then provide the password for this user. Confirm the same. Continue. Select the clock and continue. Partition disks, I am going with guided. Use entire disk and continue. Continue. All files in one partition and continue. See, this is the confirmation. Select finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Select yes. This is just confirmation. Yes and continue. Now select the desktop environment. By default it has selected XFCE, but if you want genome or ID plasma you can select. I don't want, so it is up to you. So select them and click on continue. I am going with the defaults. See, installation has been started. See, install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. So select yes and click on continue. Select device and continue. See, installation is complete, so it is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into the new system rather than restarting the installation. So we have to remove the attached ISO image. Right click on this virtual machine, settings, then select CD DVD, then unselect the checkbox, then click on OK, then click on continue. Now provide the user that we have created and provide the password for this user. Hit enter. Click on this for full screen mode. See, we got the purple Kali. Okay. So click on application menu. See, we have all the applications. Terminal. Click on terminal emulator. Now verify the version that we have installed. More /etc os-release. Hit enter. See here we have installed Kali Linux 2024.4 version. Okay. If you want to verify IP of this machine, just give ifconfig. Hit enter. See, this is the IP of the machine. The first step after connecting to Kali Linux is we have to update the package. Sudo apt update && update apt upgrade. Hit enter. Again it is type sudo type 5 for confirmation and hit enter. This may take time. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Kali Linux 2024 Purple Edition on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.